switching gears from planting beans. Gonna get all the, we planted a little bit of cotton down in Crowder last weekend, Friday, Saturday. Now I went and planted all the beans back east towards the Alabama line in Aberdeen. So now we've got a lot of ground right here around the house, surrounding counties, and we're gonna try to get knocked out. We've been having little scattered showers here and there. I think we've got some rain that's missed us. Some little rain clouds that's went around us in spots. It's rained in spots. So we're gonna go out and feel our way around and try to get some cotton ground ready. Alright, got a do-all hooked up. I'm going to put that on Jock's tractor that he has somewhere, maybe down there, closer to down there. And Slat's going to haul my planters down there. We're going to get some hippers going. We got a lot of ground disc up when we were planting beans down there earlier. Had everybody in that little neck of the woods. Then we split up 2 different crews. I took one east and my dad took one west. Got a lot done like that. I think we've got close to 3,500 acres planted so far. So about to get out on the road, and we'll get everything down there eventually, and maybe it'll be dry enough to get something done today. Check it out. Well, we got the field. We had a slight miscommunication. They brought the right tractor, but and we've planted cotton a lot with these planters. The chain drive, Maxemerge XP, 12 row, what we call Sargent planters, with the big hoppers on it. But the problem is, I knew as soon as I pulled up, I said, that's the wrong planters. It's the ones we've been planting corn with. And it's May the 7th, I think? No. Anyway, too late to be planting corn. The other cotton planters we've been using are at the shop, and these have corn plates in them and corn seed. So, no big deal. We're only like 5 miles from the shop. We'll unhook these right here. I'm sure we'll eventually get the corn seed out of them, pour it in a bucket, change the thing. We just didn't do that at the shop because we didn't have the ground to run 3 planters on ready yet. We were using all our tractors for tillage, hipping, do-all, cultivating, all that. So anyway, drop this leg and get the other planters hooked up, cotton planters. Got Jason rolling with the hydraulic drives over there. He planted in Crowder the other day, so we'll cover some ground in a minute. Not quite long enough. The got it down as low as it'll go at 0%. I had a little block right there, but I may have enough not push it off, make it extend this top length, and get it back enough to get this behind this, pick it up as I back up, maybe. I don't know. A couple more blocks would have been handy, but we'll make it work. Spin it easy. Not always the case. Alright. It's going to go under it. Almost. Oh yeah. There we go. Gotta be just right. One more round. Can't go too far. Can't thread it all the way out. Then it falls out. Then you got problems. We didn't do that. I don't like this welding rod thing they got. Not ideal. There we go. That's fine. Alright, we got that good. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. You can see it. I just extended this. Threaded that out. And got this further away from the tractor, leaned it back a little bit. Once we hook up, I'll be able to back up another 2 or 3 inches there. But once we hook up, I'll have to roll it back in to where the do-all will be able to sit right on top of the beds. But yeah, that can be a lot of trouble sometimes. Thankfully I have that block on the implement trailer while ago. Let's hook up. There we are. We got it. Got a little buddy in here. Come here. Let me go outside. Alright. Now, get the cotton liners. Watch out there, have down the hose. Yeah. And there's some of the corn we planted a week or so ago. Real good stand. Spiked up over the top of the hill down to the bottom. Probably 80 acres right there. I think we planted a little over between 600 and 700, 650, something like that. Can't hardly see them going down the road, but there's lots of little corn plants right there, about that tall. Filling her up. right, they're over there moving the pivot now. We opted for a little different tillage practice in this field. We re-hipped, which is working good. Re-hipped with conventional disc blade hippers, not the hipper choppers like we normally use. It's running right over there. And then do all it right behind them. We probably 6-7 days ago, we got a bunch of ground ready, hipped it up with the hipper choppers with a flat top bed, and with the planters have caught up with what was done the other day. So now we're running behind the hippers and the do-alls. So working good. A little bit cloddier dirt. 2 passes makes it look even better. This was re-hipped last fall, straight behind cotton. So got a long ways to go. Covering good ground, good amount of ground for what time we've had. Let's keep rolling. Well, ain't got quite done.
I think it's outside the truck up there.
Sure needs some new windshield wiper blades right here.
Yeah, he's out there walking around. Big old dry series. Yeah, buddy. Right there where you're at now, Dave, whenever we was picking it.
That's exactly what I was about to say. Yep, Rainer's at the same place, doesn't it? I think I'm about to be too wet over here.
Just keep your wheels tight, don't fall apart, that's it.
Yeah, it's just about Rainer's out. It ain't bad yet, there's a lot of mud sticking to the wheels. A lot more than I would like. And almost through too with this field, but maybe it won't last long. Little golly, I can't see anything. Windshield was real dusty and started raining on it. Wiper blade ain't too hot, but I'm gonna say we planted close to 350 acres between 2 planters today, maybe 400. Go back to that other end real quick. Quite the lightning storm coming about. Big raindrops. Here we go. It's almost at 6:30, so we probably wouldn't have ran another hour and a half anyway. So maybe it won't rain much. Still planting. Monitors hadn't went off yet, so wheels aren't sliding. Definitely slinging up some clods right now, though. It's gonna be my last round if I get to this. Probably in it. 400 or 500 yards of rows right here.
You might look. Yep. It's pretty wide right down about down out, but you want to pull up here and get me. Let me get the seed wagon truck up in.
It'd be good to get them seed under the shed. I don't know if we got any in bags, maybe. Anyway, see y'all later. Rained out.
Everyone hit the top of them.